So guys, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and also before I start the video, I just want to say congratulations to the person that won the device, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the phone very thoroughly, and yeah, hopefully this video will actually help you as well in your in your mission to obviously getting grasp of the device and actually using it and all that stuff. But today we're going to be focusing on tips and tricks about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm going to tell you guys the hidden features and what obviously you might already know by other people telling you or things like that, and some of them can be hidden as well. But yeah, anyway, let's get straight right into the video. And before I start, I just want you guys to smash that subscribe button, like the video as well, because there is another giveaway. If you want to check that video out, that giveaway, I'll check out my other video before this one, and you get the full details on there. Anyway, we're gonna start off with the device, the lock button on the actual device, how to turn off the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's more of a tip it's more of a tip, but when you press and hold the S21's lock button, it launches Bixby, and a lot of people don't like Bixby, especially me. I don't like Bixby at all. But you don't have to worry about that, because there's a few different ways to actually power up the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and or even restart the S21 Ultra. You can either swipe down on the notification screen to view the quick setting panel, which is just right at the top, or you can press and hold the volume down button and the power button, and it should come up with the menu to power off the phone or restart, or I think emergency call or something like that. But yeah, you should have that option to either turn the phone off or restart the phone. Or you can actually go into the settings and change and configure the lock button to actually turn off the phone, or bring up that menu to turn on the phone or restart the phone, instead of having the Bixby button, the Bixby come up. But you can do that inside the settings. So number 2, you can also add effects to your video call simply by going onto settings, advanced features, video call effects, and by turning this, you're essentially selecting whether you want your background when you're obviously on video call to be blurred, or have a color or a specific image from your photos on the actual display when you're actually video calling someone else, like say on WhatsApp or anything like that, Skype, whatever you want to video call on. You got options to actually blur out the background or add a different picture on there, which is just awesome. It's just the things you get with the new Android 11, which is just absolutely amazing. So number 3 is you can actually turn on floating notification very easily on the device. So it alerts you on basically when a notification is through to your phone, it will come up as an actual floating bubble, just like Facebook Messenger, which is pretty damn cool. And you click on it and obviously check out what the notifications is. And also you can also turn on the floating notification for easy access as well. Like I said, you can have it like a bubble, and your notification comes through and you can actually click on it and easily access it instead of actually going into the app. And Android 11 has actually teamed up with Google and obviously launched out a new kind of bubble notification feature, which looks exactly like the Facebook Messenger. When you get a message from Messenger, and it comes up as a bubble on your screen, and you can be able to text back or react back or anything like that, which is pretty damn cool. And that, instead of having a swipe down notification panel to view your notifications, a floating circle just gives you more quick access to the conversation at all time. And you can actually turn this feature on as well by going to your settings, advanced settings, floating notifications, and actually turning this on. You can actually pick an option you can pick an option you want to use. You can have both, which has a quick animation on the screen to show you that the how basically it work. And also you can just experiment and see which notifications that you want the bubbles to turn up to show up for, and yeah, you can just experiment and see what you like and how you want the floating notifications to actually work for you and on the device. And also, one thing again that I actually really love about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, not even the S21 Ultra, going back to the Samsung Galaxy S8, is the feature that you can actually use on the device to search literally anything that you want. So basically what you have to do is when you're in the app, the app drawer, basically you can actually click on the search icon which is on top of the app drawer and literally search your entire phone. You can search from apps to things on the web, or even anything like that. You can literally search anything and the phone will always have an answer for whatever you've searched, even if it's not an app that's based on the phone, which is just absolutely awesome. So you can search things like gallery or your camera or Facebook. Just basically, if you're like me and you have a lot of apps on your device and you can't keep track of where they actually are on the app drawer, you can just click there, search the app, and boom, the app comes up and easy access, and it's all good. You can go in there and then it's all good. It's very, very nice. No, Apple do have that feature. The iPhones do have the feature, but it's not as advanced as the one on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is just absolutely awesome. And then you can change your lock screen wedges as well. Well, you can change, or you can add, or you can do anything like that. You can add them as well, especially on the actual device. And what is so cool as well about the whole widget feature is that you can actually add widgets to your always on display, which is very nice. So you got this also always on display on the device, which is just cool. You can tell the time by from there. And also they've actually added this feature as well that you can add more widgets on, which basically means you can add the calendar, or you can add like the weather or the news or anything like that you want, as long as if it's in the widget section that you can actually add. But yeah, it's nice to know that you can just glance your phone and just get information from your phone without actually unlocking your device, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, for you to be able to get this option, you just have to go on the settings, lock screen, widgets, and you can turn on whichever widget you want on the device. When you obviously have a nice glance to see what the time is, you can see, obviously get a little bit of information as well on that as well. But yeah guys, that's the tips and tricks that I have for you on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't actually miss out on any of my videos that I upload. And also for the giveaway guys, 2000k, because I know we can get there. We got up to 1, so 2k, 200 likes on my previous video, and I'll get another S21 Ultra and give it away to you guys. But yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.